Hi friends! Today I'm finally going to try and finish this DAF 55 project.
For those of you that haven't watched the rest of this video series, I pulled the Renault 5 GT Turbo engine from my friend's DAF 55 a few months ago because his piston rings were bad. I then rebuilt the entire engine by installing new pistons and cylinder sleeves and everything. I restored and repainted many parts along the way to make this engine look nice and clean again as well.
And today I'm finally going to reinstall this engine back into the car. Alright, so for those of you that have seen my previous video, I said I had installed all of the parts that are attached to the engine, but I forgot to install the starter motor and these two engine mounts. So that's what I'm going to start with today, and then we can finally reinstall this engine. Oh, and before I forget, I still gotta install this sandwich plate for the oil cooler, because I think that will be a bit easier while the engine's still out of the car. Alright, the moment's finally here that I'm going to reinstall this engine. I've put it up on this engine leveler, because I do gotta tilt it a little bit to put it back into the engine bay. So I think it will make it a bit easier for myself like this. And yeah, let's try to put it in place. That looks absolutely awesome. I like this color so much. Looks like a beast already. So now I'm going to fasten the bolts from the engine mounts, and then we can start connecting everything again. I'm going to tackle my least favorite part right away. So I'm going to start by installing the brake booster. Well, this isn't my least favorite part, it's when you have to get under the dash. It is a bit hard to get on camera, but I'm currently installing the exhaust again, and I just connected the starter motor. I think I have now installed all of the parts surrounding the engine itself. So now I'm going to install the radiator and the intercooler, and then I think we can go and try to start it. Now let's fill up the coolant and engine oil, and then we can try to start it without the glow plugs in, spark plugs, so that it can build up some oil pressure first. Alright, all the fluids are in, so let's try to start it. Well, not actually start it, but let it build up some oil pressure. Just filled it up with some more oil, and now I'm going to install these spark plugs and see if it actually wants to start. To be honest, I am pretty nervous, but I'm also really excited to see this car back on the road. Alright, it's time for the moment of truth, and we're going to try and start it, and I'm super nervous, but it gotta happen, so yeah, let's go. Alright, it is running. I'm super happy because it was super scary, but yeah, I think it's running perfectly. It's doing a whole lot better than my Volvo 340. So now I'm going to reinstall the front, and then my friends can come and go for a test drive with it. Alright, as you can see, he's back from his test drive. I don't know if you can see it because I'm looking into the sun, but yeah, I think my friend can finally go and enjoy his DAF now that the project's finished. I know I said that I'd rebuild the variomatic system as well, but due to personal circumstances I won't be able to fully finish this project, but at least it's back on the road again. I think we're going to install the hood in a sec, so you can actually drive this car legally. But yeah, that's it for the DAF project for now. I will try to give you guys some more updates later after it's been driven for a while, because it has only done a few minutes now. But yeah, it seems to be running fine, so that's a good sign. For now, thank you guys so much for watching and for following this project. I hope you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for all of my other projects, and yeah, I hope to see you next time. Bye!